Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Josh's Adventures. Today I'm going to talk about how I custom built this front bumper and winch plate, or winch mount, 100% without welding, and it doesn't look bad, as you can see. I mean, you can definitely tell there's some bolt together stuff going on there, but I don't have a welder, and I had to figure out something to do, so this has just happened to be what I did. So, I went and found some 2-inch square tubing. There's still a hole in it from when it was previously used, and I drilled 2 holes in it where the existing bumper would have hooked up, which actually no. The existing bumper would have hooked up to a hole here, and a hole somewhere in here that is covered up by this. And what happened was I just drilled one there, and one there, on both sides, and built off the front of the mower. Then I found an old fender off an old boat trailer, okay? And I cut that and bolted it on here. You can barely tell it's bolted really if you don't really look at it. There's bolts there, 4 bolts on each side. I wired it up into the, and this winch used to be on a mower that had the battery in the back. Well, this one has it under the hood here. So, just wired it right in to the existing winch points, or not winch points, existing battery terminals, and I hooked the switch up right here. So that way it's not getting hit by your legs down here, or getting hit by some grabby hands on the dash. It's kind of hidden when the hood's shut. There's my horns, I'll talk about that in a different video. But, as you can see, and then I just grabbed another piece of 2-inch square, cut little pieces about that long, about 2 inches tall, and put them right here, and JB welded them to the back side of this part. There's JB weld on the inside of this and on the inside of there, just to hold it together. And I used these as spacers because I couldn't put this right here because it would block my fair lead here. So I did that, got myself 2, I think they're 6 or 5-inch 7/16 bolts, and drilled them in there. And I've hit quite a bit of stuff with it, as you can kind of tell. I mean, I really don't hit stuff hard, and I've pulled on this very good time, or not very good, I've pulled on this very hard a couple of times. I've actually pulled this thing out with a dump cart of sand behind it out of a hole, and this thing did awesome. But anyhow, if you're looking to put a bumper on your GT Craftsman, think about this. This is a Craftsman garden tractor. It was before they started with the GT 3000 or whatever, but it's basically the older brother of the GT 3000. So, and I'm pretty sure the frame on any kind of GT Craftsman is the same, so you could pretty much do this on any kind of GT, or LT, or YT, whatever you got, or DLT, whatever you got. Doesn't really matter. But if you like this video, please hit the like, and I thank you for it, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and subscribe if you're not subscribed, of course. Thanks a lot, guys.